Welcome everyone. Unfortunately, yes, I forgot to make this video in the morning. However, if you followed the Revoke Checker Twitter account, you would have known first that TutuBox was re-signed. So I don't know when this was. I think it was actually quite a while ago, to be fair. Still signed, obviously, because I'm making this video. There we go. 7 hours ago, TutuBox was completely re-signed. All the apps are fully working. And yes, you can see untrusted developer. And if I just verify, am I jailbreakable? No. I updated all my phones to 14.4. That kind of sucks. But we can trust TutuBox. And just like that, you can see TutuBox is fully working. So obviously, you know where the download is. Also, I'm going to change the Revoke Checker page because it's, yeah. Anyway, so you just go to the link in the description and you already know how it goes. Just close out all the ads and just tap on install now. And again, do make sure you follow the Revoke Checker Twitter account because it will let you know first when the stores are signed, when they're revoked. I might remove the other stores because they're like literally, you know, I just don't see the point of having so many stores. I might just have G-Box as well, because that's where the certs come from. And yeah, so hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, smash like. See you guys later. Bye-bye.